Okay, I'm gonna start. Hello.
Hi.
God.
Hi, I'm Justice Justin from Stranger Things.
And I'm just myself.
Yes.
Oh my god, there's a park. I'm gonna stomp on this kid's sandcastle. Hey, stop kissing me.
I'm not kissing you.
In the game, you are.
You gay little rat.
How is that gay?
Let's just go on this dude's tongue.
Eat me. We're fighting against Freddy.
Laugh!
I recently started getting back into the FNAF franchise. Fun fact.
Wait, what?
I recently started getting back into FNAF. Oh my god, Freddy Fazballs is right there.
Freddy Fazballs?
Oh my god, they locked me out! They locked me out.
Okay, you know what? I know how to. Okay.
See, I told you I would scream. Did
Oh my
you
god,
hear
is that
me?
Shara from Undertale?
What?
Or is that Charlie?
Bruh. Freddy Fazball's
Like,
trying to get us.
It's Charlie. Yeah, that's Charlie.
Who?
My god, it's Freddy Fat Bear.
It's Freddy It's Freddy Fazballs. I remember when we were like, I was playing this, we all used to like jump on like something up there, but I think they got rid of it.
Yeah, everyone used to do that.
What's the next one? Come on, hurry up.
There's so many players. I could see you, fingers and fingers.
I couldn't see your hat. God, what are we in? What are we in? What is this?
Baldy!
Is it Baldy?
Basics? Okay, is it actually Baldy's Basics? Let's go. I'm gonna go into the women's restroom. No, I'm just kidding.
Don't go in the woman's one. I'm going in the woman's one. I'm a woman.
Is it actually Baldy's Basics?
I don't know.
Oh, hi. Welcome to Baldy's Basics.
Oh my god, it is!
It's a freaking 2D decal!
They literally took the like decal from the game.
Be a parkour ninja.
Be a parkour ninja is like a good game. Oh hi, I can see you from the other like.
Oh,
I see your little dude from Grand be on your shoulder, and that's how I could tell you.
Oh yeah, my Grammy.
Where even is he? Oh my god, he's gonna jump on.
Remember Grammy? You used to eat it.
I loved eating that.
Oh yeah, we survived.
That little grandma, I loved putting that in my mouth. That sounded wrong.
That shriveled up grandpa. Or no,
That's a grandma. Get her
No!
right.
No, 11.
Stop assuming gender.
I'm watching Stranger Things right now. No, 11 cannot die. If 11 dies,
I hope 11 dies. Real time. He went silent.
No.
Okay. What game is this one? Oh my god. Is this the Power Rangers? It's the Power
Rangers! Yeah!
I remember the first time we met, we were like, you were like obsessed
with
I
remember.
The dinosaur one. You were obsessed with dinosaurs. Let me tell you a little story time of when we Mantis were younger. When I first met him, because we're neighbors, he went to my house, because, like, that's a normal thing neighbors do, right? Oh my god. He came over and he was really obsessed with dinosaurs, and we had like screws everywhere because.
Yeah!
And oh my god, the furry Power Ranger just killed me.
Yeah, I remember this. We used to pretend like nails were like dino bones. I remember that.
It was at my house because we were building the house, so there's a lot of nails like everywhere. And we used to like dig in the floor for nails. Oh my god, I'm just sitting.
Which was supposed to be quote unquote dino bones.
And another time, it's like we had a big dirt hill, and we used to pretend like I don't know what we pretended we were. Animals? Wolves? I don't know. Yeah. But we were someone in the chat's named Fat Boy 13 Jr. That's a name if I ever seen one. Oh, ew!
It's freaking Jeff the Killer.
I think I used to be a Jeff the Killer fangirl.
Ew, Jeff the Killer is ugly.
I used to be a Jeff the Killer fangirl though. Oh my god, I went into the portal. Is that William Afton?
Is it the Pride of 87?
I swear I just saw William Afton. Don't come near me. Mm-mm.
He's gonna run at us. He's gonna run at us like a little rat.
He's gonna jump scare us. Who you? Hello? Who you? It's Death the Killer, stupid.
No.
Oh my god, where my son targeted me?
Yeah, if Jeff the Killer sees you, like, look, he's literally freaking. Hey, I survived. Nice.
I did not. I died. Because he targeted me. And my keyboard wasn't working. I swear it was the lag. I swear. It wasn't me. There's a ghost above the stupid head. Ew. Okay, I'll pull up. Hop out at the after party.
Whoa! Is he turning into Vecna?
What? Is this Slenderman?
He is! Oh, he's Vecna.
Is this Slenderman?
Yeah, I think
What is this?
One!
He's watching Stranger Things, if that's what you're wondering.
It's one! Vecna is one.
What? Oh my god! Ew! 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 What is that? What is that? What is that? That's the thing from Undertale, I swear.
Vecna is secretly one.
I swear that's from Undertale.
Yeah, that is.
Why is that? That's terrifying. Is that Gaster's face? Oh my god. Where are you now? I know you died because you screamed aggressively.
No, I did not.
Oh, then why did you scream? He's watching
No, because when I saw that thing, I screamed.
You're like, ah! Do you like my avatar? What the frick just grabbed my hair? Something just grabbed my hair. Anyways. It was my chair, but, you know, I can always make it scary. I'm kind of scared. What's scary in here? Is it William Afton right there, or is it someone else? When it goes black, I know that's when I...
Now it all connects.
What?
Oh, he killed everyone.
Dumb!
That's why her eyes are bleeding. So he tried to kill... Oh, it's him again. He tried to attack 11, and her eyes started bleeding, but that didn't work. And then she attacked him and killed him, and then the other dude came in, and he was like...